Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand dryer and it's giving you on the display, it's giving you a 1, ER1 and F1 and ER01. It can display, depending on what you've got, display a little bit differently, but basically a 1 error. And you're wondering, what that error is and is there anything that you can do to get rid of it. So this is a pretty simple error. What will happen is you'll get this error if it's in the middle of a cycle and you open the door. And you leave the door open when it's trying to finish a cycle, when it's running. So all you really need to do for this, to get rid of this 1 error, is just close the door and let it finish its cycle. And then once it finishes the cycle, you can open the door and you won't get the error back because the cycle is done. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing you need to do. There's nothing that needs to be fixed or anything like that. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.